Have you ever wondered how your microwave heats food so quickly? Inside every microwave is a magnetron, generating electromagnetic waves, microwaves. These waves bounce around the metal interior and penetrate your food. They excite water molecules, causing them to vibrate rapidly, producing heat. This cooks your meal from the inside out, efficient, safe, and incredibly fast. At Urban Service Company, we specialize in keeping your microwave running smoothly. For expert service, call us at 9093491170 or visit urbanservicecompany.live.